What's going on, everybody? This is Dave from Steel City Drones Flight Academy. This video is dedicated to the public safety agencies out there. There's something new that I thought I would pass along that might be very helpful to the agencies that are flying drones. So, as many agencies know, there is a process for when you're under Part 107, you're limited to daytime flying unless you apply for a nighttime waiver. And that can be pretty problematic. I've gotten a lot of feedback from clients that tell me they'll apply, it gets rejected, they'll apply again, it gets rejected even more. So it can get some pretty involved as far as what the FAA is looking for. So the workaround that as of been right now is that most agencies will go ahead and apply for the Certificate of Authorization, the COA. Now again, that is a lengthy type of process as well. So there is something new now that the FAA is giving public safety agencies, which is called an Expedited SGI waiver. Now this is a piece of paper that needs to be filled out and that you email it into a very specific address, and I'm going to put that on the screen. What you can do is there is a main FAA emergency number that you can call to get emergency approval. You're still going to have to fill out the form and submit it, but they can give you instant approval through that telephone line. So with that said, we hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Please hit that subscribe button down there, help me grow the channel. And also, for right now, we're going to have till the end of February. For everybody that's subscribed, we're going to put you all in a poll, and the winner, one lucky person's going to win a Mavic Mini. So with that said, hope you like this. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. If you like this video and like to see more free videos in the future, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And while you're at it, if you're interested in free lessons on how to fly drones, discounts on drone equipment, discounts on insurance, or access to our exclusive drone video library, check out our website, steelcityflightacademy.com.